In today's video, I'm going to teach you Klaviyo Shopify integration tutorial, set up in minutes. By the end, you'll have Klaviyo connected to your Shopify store and ready to start syncing data for email and SMS automations. Start by opening your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Apps. In the Apps view, use the search bar to find Klaviyo. Type the app name, and when you see Klaviyo, Email Marketing in the results, click it to open the app listing. On the app page, click the button to add or install the app. Shopify will show a permissions screen explaining what Klaviyo needs to access, like customers, orders, and products, so it can power segments and flows. Review those details, then click Install to approve. Shopify will confirm the connection and redirect you to Klaviyo to finish setup. If you're new to Klaviyo, you'll land on a quick registration form. Type your full name, your store or company name, and your Shopify store URL. Keep these accurate so your account details match your storefront. Continue to the next fields and enter your work email, then set your login details. Klaviyo may ask a few short questions to tailor your experience. Choose your country and preferred currency, and select your business size. When you see options to continue, click through, confirm any terms, and finalize your choices. To wrap up onboarding, click Get Started. That completes the integration and kicks off your initial sync. At this point, Klaviyo will begin importing your Shopify data in the background. Depending on your catalog and list size, the first sync can take a few minutes. You don't need to keep clicking anything, just let it run. If you navigate to Klaviyo later, you'll see your Shopify integration marked as connected, and your audiences, products, and events will start appearing for segments and flows. A couple of quick tips as you go. If you already have a Klaviyo account, use the login option on the redirect page instead of creating a new one, then authorize Shopify when prompted. If the app search doesn't show Klaviyo right away, double-check you're in the correct store and that you're using the apps section inside the Shopify admin. And for a smooth setup, make sure you have permission to install apps on your store. That's it. You've installed Klaviyo from Shopify, approved permissions, completed the brief Klaviyo onboarding, and clicked Get Started. Your store is now connected and ready.